Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. I'm Jason. Today we will be unboxing the UVC G4 PTZ. Alright, it's one of the latest new camera from Ubiquiti, and we know that it's also the most expensive unit. And what I found out was, after I took it out of the carton box, is that it was made in Taiwan. Alright, so we have the privilege of unboxing this unit and also take a look at what's inside. I believe most of you are very curious about this, so I managed to get myself one of these and also to show it to you how it is and what is it inside. We will also be working on a video to connect this to our system and also our UniFi Protect and to see what we can see from here. Alright, so we will be setting it up. Right, so what happens is the seal. Alright, so this is the seal. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the seal gently. Okay, put it aside and I'm going to open it up and let's see what's inside. I'm very curious. Okay, so up front, up on the top, you will see that there is a plate. Alright, there is a metal plate. Alright, so let me see how to remove it. Okay, so this got to be one of the base plates, I guess. Okay, and oh, this is where the hook, so it's got to be on top. Alright, so there's some scratches. Alright, so this is going to be the one on top. Okay, and next it's going to be the actual unit itself. Alright, so I'm going to flip and show you guys what I see. Okay, so it's going to be I think it's going to be the main holding unit. Alright, so it's going to take me some strength to lift it up. And let me put this aside so we can see this. As usual, the declarations. Okay, and let me see how we're going to remove this. Okay, so there's a box of accessories fitted inside the camera itself. Okay, so it's here. Alright, let me see what's inside. Okay, oh, all the screws. Okay, we can look at it later. Alright, so then there's the main holder. Okay, where you can attach the unit. Okay, and let me see how we're going to remove this unit. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is the base. This is the where you go to screw in the camera, and you got to hold it using the steel cables. Okay. So originally this was actually inside here. Okay. And then this was here. Okay. So then we have another styrofoam to protect the camera itself, I think. Okay. Let me try and see how to remove this. Oh, it's going to be a bit tricky. I may have to turn it around to see how we can move this. Okay, I'm going to lay it out flat so you can see how it's going to come out. Or rather, I may have to lift it up. Okay, so you see the unit is coming out. Okay, let me try and hold it using two hands, and it's protected with a pouch. Okay, so there's a pouch protecting the camera itself, and it's pretty heavy. Okay, so I saw it. Okay, so now I know it. Okay, I need to pull, okay, while holding on to it and to let it sit on the foam itself. Okay, so that nothing happens, and that's it. Okay, so it's empty. Alright, so we managed to get out the camera, okay, and the QC number. Okay, right, so let me see how do we remove this. Okay, so we may have to flip it around. Okay, let me flip it around. Okay, so be very careful, alright, and have to be very gentle to remove this. You don't want to scratch the lens or to have anything happen to it. So as usual, there is a pouch to fully protect the whole unit itself. And ta-da! You get to see the lens. Alright, there is a plastic film protecting the lens. Let me open up this a bit wider. Okay, so we can remove the whole unit out from the pouch. Okay. Alright, so let me get this out from the pouch. Okay, so this is the pouch. Alright, so it's supposed to be dangling upside down, okay, but I'm not going to do that now. Right, so there's also another spacer, okay. There's another sponge here to protect the lens and the movement of the unit itself. Let me see what's under. Okay, so below here you will see the connection. Okay, so there is a network port here for you to connect the PoE power and also the connection. Okay, I'm going to just show it to you guys. Right, so this is a really very huge unit. Okay, so what happens is you got to mount this onto a very secure location, and then I would say flip it around, okay, to fit this in, okay, and twist and turn, and that's it. Okay, so that's how you basically fit the unit in, and I'm going to have a video on how to set it up. Right, so there are indicators here where you have markers. All right, so where it goes in and you twist and turn to lock the unit itself. Okay, it's very well built and very solid. Okay, it's really 100% cast iron. Okay, and basically that's what we see from the unboxing. All right, oh yeah, the box of screws. Okay, so all the screws, as usual from Ubiquiti, is all provided for. Let me try and get it out from this box to see what's inside. Okay, so this hardware kit, and we're just going to slide it open and let's see what's inside. Alright, so everything is honestly provided for. You have your L bracket, okay, so that's where the bracket comes in, where you're supposed to do all the mounting, all your wall bullets, okay, and also all the screws. Alright, it's very nice and neat and very well packed. Okay, right. So let's move on to the rest of the parts of the camera and also the instructions. So basically you have the camera, the mount, okay, and also the Allen key to lock in the unit, and also the wall mount screws. Okay, so all is provided, and the instructions. Okay, so basically there are also instructions provided on what's the best way and how to screw the mount and mount the AP itself. Alright, so wait for our next video where we will also show you how we're going to set it up on our UniFi Protect system. Alright, so thank you very much for your time today. If you have any questions or comments, please remember to subscribe to our video and like our video. Leave your comments and we will definitely give you a reply back. Alright, thank you very much.